Welcome guys, today I am with POCO F4 and I'm going to show you 5 camera tips. So at the first we are going to start from the standard photo mode, and at the first I want to show you how you can adjust brightness level. You can tap on the screen and then move this sun icon to decrease or increase brightness level. As you can see, that's very easy. You can also use the zoom feature in a different ways. So as you can see, we got right here the ultra wide lens, and the telephoto lens. When you click on already selected zoom, you will get 4, 6, 8 and 10x time zoom. You can use this sample feature with the slider so it looks very smooth, as you can see. And that was the second tip. Another one will be about the filters that we can find right here. As you can see, they change color and the temperature. So if you want to take photo with this one, just select, click on the shutter and the photo was taken. It looks very nice. If you want to get the original look of your photos, just go here for another time and select normal. Right now we can simply open the settings, and the settings we can find other useful options, like for example, when we scroll down we can change the volume button function. It's set up as a camera timer, but we can also use them as a zoom feature. And take a look right now, when you press volume up you will smoothly zoom in, and the same for the volume down. The last tip will be about the aspect ratio of your camera. So we can go for the 1:1, you can go for the 3:4, 16:9 and on the full screen. So the full screen will be as a camera preview. Of course you have to remember that each aspect ratio changes the photo quality, so it's the best to use always the 3:4. So yeah, that's all for the POCO F4 and the 5 camera tips. If you find this video helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.